In a world where travel plans can change in an instant, having an emergency passport is crucial. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to obtain your Australian passport when time is of the essence. So, who qualifies for an emergency passport? Generally, Australian citizens facing urgent travel can apply. This includes those who lose their passport abroad or need to travel for emergencies. Before applying, gather the necessary documents. You will typically need proof of identity, recent passport-sized photos, and details of your travel plans. To begin the application process, complete the emergency passport application form, then submit it in person at an authorized passport office or through designated channels. Processing times can vary, but for emergency passports, expect expedited services. Usually, you can receive your emergency passport within 1 business day. It's important to note that applying for an emergency passport incurs higher fees than regular applications. Be prepared to discuss payment options during your application. You can apply for an emergency passport at regional passport offices or overseas diplomatic missions, so make sure to find the nearest location. Once you've submitted your application, you can track its status online. Stay informed to avoid any last-minute surprises. Keeping track helps you plan accordingly. Avoid common pitfalls such as missing documents or incorrect forms. Double-check everything before submission for a smoother process. In conclusion, while obtaining an emergency passport can be daunting, following these steps can ease the burden. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to official resources.